Get out of the garage, bro. Yes. It came in here 3 times.
It's my only problem.
Oh. Get out the broom, Keaton. Run.
Get this part out of here.
What? He was up there, bro.
What is happening?
Oh my god.
What is happening right now?
Go, bro.
Yeah.
You have to get out. Where is he?
Should I whack him and get him down?
No, just like.
Come on, get on. Get on. Get on. Get on.
He's on. Slowly, slow down. Slower, go slow. Run! Just run as far as you can. Just keep walking. Where is bro going? Is it off?
He took off.
He's coming back.
Is he actually?
I don't know. You just kept walking.